Hello you guys, it's Nava Rose again. Welcome back to another episode of We Got Renew, Upcycle. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to DIY and upcycle this lovely matching set. I'm going to show you guys different ways of how you guys can turn it into a Halloween costume, perfect for this Halloween season. What we're going to start off with is a cute little pumpkin costume. What I'm going to do first is just fold the corner of this and just cut off this piece of felt. So we're gonna make two triangles and that's gonna be for the eye. Here are my little pumpkin eyes. What I'm gonna do is fold the remaining felt that I have in half. I'm gonna cut a straight line across like this. And then I'm going to make a little half circle. And we're just gonna cut a little square at the top. And then a couple right here on the bottom. So what I like to use for a temporary fix is double stick heavy duty tape. You want to make sure it fits on your piece. So I'm just going to shape it a little bit to mimic the triangle. And then you're going to do the same thing to the other eye and the mouth. For a big piece like this, you don't necessarily have to cover the whole entire thing. So I just did the corners and the center part. There you have it. You have the bottoms and the top. And then paired with your little hat, you are a pumpkin. I'm going to show you how to do a second tutorial of how you could style this orange set into another Halloween costume. So we're going to go with a jail inmate look. All you need is a pair of handcuffs. You guys could clip this right here onto your waist. You have a black belt, preferably one with some writing to mimic that edgy look. Clip on a state prison name tag right here and throw on a chain belt. And there you have it, a simple prison inmate Halloween costume that you don't have to DIY and you won't have to ruin your outfit.